What go on, people? What not go on there? Big up on yourself and welcome back to the channel. I have one little video I want to share with you, so check out that video and then we'll talk afterwards. Remember to like the video. If you're not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, people. That is how I can afford myself to make the videos. Because you see, any issues when you guys have with the video, I'm gonna cause it. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna cause it. We'll talk when they're gonna show. Check out that video and we'll come, we'll talk.
How this? Hello? Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, say me there, man, I go and feed them two pigs. I try not even know. You know, say boat missing, brother. Missing, I think know where you gone. Right now, I swim, we have to go swim out, brother. Yo, I say a thing, brother, but you don't know. I mean, I'm on the boat still, for me, I'm him still, but they gone, we don't know where they. That's why I say I go out now in the morning still. For real. I say things at me, brother. I say it, you know. And sometimes disappointment be a reason always sometimes, you know. You know, today, man, you weather good, you know. You know, say me I go back for the next gun. You know, make no sense to carry one gun.
Yeah, man, I plan to carry them, you know. Yeah, man, you up on the south, so just get them on forward, see?
You can put them tell, you know.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Yeah, man. I go back for the other one.
Cool.
Yeah, see, yeah.
Yeah, man. Right. It's a gun on my house, you know, brother. Right, your water good enough.
Yeah, you must look up them big boy out there, big barrel them there, about the right thing. I like right thing for you, know, because you're big already.
Best right, brother.
For real, man.
Right, this is my friend.
For real. Differently do a day, man. How many years you going up a yard with you and George, man?
Why, brother? You want to talk about the money right now, you know, brother. You want to talk about the money right now. I just want to go to see how some fish right now. That's my little stress, brother. You see me? That I want to do right now. So watch out, put in and sit now, brother, and go on the water.
We are going to mash some fish. Fish we are going to mash, really, car. Fish we are going to mash, brother. Fish we are going to mash. Fish we are going to mash. That's what you are talking about. Alright, brother, let's go.
I can't believe this. This is come like a sign. No, sir, Joe, this. I call Kayla.
Let me a pick me.
Kayla, want me? Mr. Girl, I have something to tell you. We can't talk about you over the phone, Mama. This is one you too much. And if you come lick me right here now. Where you there, yeah? Yeah, man, come lick me, man. Alright. No, sir. Someone else.
No, it's on, sir. Bro, I'm not going away. Yeah, well. Yes. You want special? Say I know what say. You know say I be like even I'm sad to find me like a one bag of like $2 and a skirt. So, what I know, you both, you Remember I boat with them when I say how me plan up and sell boat?
Yeah.
After that now, one little idiot girl from up in that community, I remember what they call it. I said me, thief. I said me, thief.
So I was saying about tell lie for you, brother. Oh, this is too much. You want to tell lie for you, brother. See what they didn't tell us that you got to take a boat.
A boat.
You see me? I know you don't do them things there, brother. You see me? But that's possible, brother. You see, someone that wants to know what cause is, brother, make them a call up the name.
Alright, here we go on now with the phone. Because I don't tell how the boat go. And I show my brother a reason. But here we go on with the phone. You know, you know man they call, he want to call rebel. Yeah, or something like that, so, or judgment, or something, you see me? Yeah, we live up in a lane. So this morning I know, Zane show me a man make me do my early morning run. Because I like invite people.
Rebel!
That run you so girl.
Me I want to come.
Come up here so girl, come up here so them are something else so we can't talk about out the door. Come in. You know, Damien, brother, Dan.
Dan. How him look?
One kind of little man and he look of fear complexion, man.
How him do?
You know, so this morning the boy come on me yard, thief my phone, I hand me see I come through window. Me frightened so till a bathroom I come from, you know. One piece of wine in me depend, you know. The boy, I don't know the old thieving boy.
You mean every time I said Damien brother Dan come here and push him onto your window and I take away your phone? You get back your phone now, girl. Come, tell me more.
Yeah, me I tell you a bathroom me I come from, and the hand me see. And when me see the hand, me hang on pan the hand, so you understand how me hang on pan the hand, me realize because me not making good my phone, because you know in me not going to let nobody take my phone like that. So when me hang on pan the hand, they no rustle. He realized he can't get the phone, so he just so come me see him face and see him. So me load up in our community and everybody here, everybody should book, you know, people stay. So I come out like, come out now. I make certain say I go all up and go see him brother and tell him brother say one him brother and tell him, you know, come back at my place. You know, so I feel say boy even Victor up and take go being girl.
Lord God, rebel man. I don't think of him do that. You gone too far now. I know say Damien always a pick up film and him know say him brother thief. Girl, somebody ever go talk to him brother real good about him because him go rob the wrong person and them go shake him.
That's why I call you, you know. Because I know the time they will take it and twist it the wrong way. You understand me I say? So if you see it make you know that's why I load up the community and tell him brother, make everybody know what going to come. At the end of the day go like I say me go thief so man. I don't want nothing for thief from him. I don't have nothing for thief.
Alright thing you do, girl. Especially when you go and tell him, brother, about what I do. Anyways, enough of that. Me see how a young boy you have an angle on this, so tell me more about it, you know.
Hey! I will tell you that. You get a story from if actually you come to a later that see my daddy, you buy a party where we go. Your girl are saying it. You know I think come along already. You know wherever come down.
Alright, auntie.
Last night, boy. Where you do? Nah, man, we get together, man. I hear tell you, man. Why? You know, see me do a short thing already about John no style. Just put the mind here, man. I know me have a car, man. We put on this. I link with man. I go there, man. Hold on, car. You lock up the car? You lock up? Yeah, man. I did lock it, man. Because me hide the key. Yeah, man. I want some. You lock up. Well, I'm not telling you, no. Send to the nice, brother. I tell you, send to the nice, man. Sure. Nothing you want to hear about no sentinel, brother. You can't link me see away, brother. I have a car, brother. You can't link me how you go there, brother. You can't go there, you can't link me, brother. Sure. You think they are kind of sudden still now, bro? Like it really sudden. I never really plan to go nowhere. But I just get a call line and say, boy, sentinel, one good thing I go on. So I just roll with the flow. You see me? You go to see you catch some fish here, man. Brother, right now, for the have all the boat in there, man.
All them sitting there, brother. If me have all the boat, my brother, I see a long time now, bro. Wouldn't have to dare about your swim, go see if you show now. I see a long time, brother.
That's true, man. Because know me not understand, brother. 3 boats there long before 4 boats there. You know how long them boat are there? And none of them no missing. A few of them gone with. Look at all that they want in the immigrants. Look how Chris are nice. Better condition than a few boats. Why I not understand how they just take few boats and just go with few boats. So. And left them here. Me mind I would have 4 boats there so. They would not take it big. You don't understand them teeth.
Wow, only if you understand them take brother John, take it big. Take me thing and sell it to blur and make me there after some guys see. Wow. Only if you know. Brother, I think about that right now, brother. Just want to come go out and see you catch some fish here, man. I think that's stress
Right as well, yeah, man. Come on, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right as well. Ah, water good. Water.
Yo, see how little string there, Benny.
Yeah, man. Water pretty, but I might as well just see what can be done, yeah, man.
I nearly there last night, you know. Yes, man. With that energy like that. Anyway, don't have for that, you know. That's alright. Anyway, when we want to ask you, you know, you got white diamond party, and nigga key.
I don't hear about the party there. And the people that me yard, God, they might give me hell. I don't know. I just start to sit and see if I can come. I went to the party there, by the way.
See, I sat there to a girl party there load, you know, and you are going to be a rich boy go at the party there, you know.
Girl, I'm going to try to start out a way and see if I can come. So, later we talk.
Alright, then.
And we link up then time. Yeah man, me link to me call man, not me call. Alright.
My taxi then the man. How long me out here I can't get my taxi?
Oh, Bennett, how you come here left me, man? Me I look for you to see the rock steady. I wonder where the brother and your family left me. I want
Man, you know if you get so we say we're not coming at the same location, we are going further down here and we just come in, man. And that's the reason why. Because me all day I look for you too, you know. But I don't know which way you go. Because I remember say you go, you live in 4 me still. They say me not even know which direction you go. But you come in up at that area, brother.
me I look for your brother. Because I told you out to see the brother and I expect the boy if you do respond me the brother. Because you know, see kind of weather we have to the brother. Water nice and things, so we expect the boy all swim together and shoot up some fish. So I never expect the boy to go miss up for me.
Yeah, listen what you say, you know, but you don't know what, man. Me, man, brother. We go out there, me and you go out there. I will there, so I'm tired. You say me not in no rush and more will again, you come with me there. Every time you dive down a be a bubble. Me like you know say no fish now run. You say I mean, me have to change my spot and go different spot, brother. I couldn't dive which part you dive, brother, because right now how you dive, you not even dive good. You say I mean, that's why I really ask how I go and still with the man, you know, brother, because you don't dive good today. Normal when me I shoot, if vibe today, when we have a boat. When we have a boat, brother, you know things set, brother. Me couldn't do where you there, brother. Me have to just go somewhere else go shoot. And that's a problem, that's why you never see me. But still they look for you still, you know. But you don't know, so with the plans we are going in a different location. But we have a boat now, we could have day in a one location and just come up in a boat and we come in. But brother, I have to just move, brother. I couldn't tell where
Tell you what I'm going, tell you. You know, say now like a brother my you know my brother Josh. The man try to thief and phone for one girl, brother. You must know a girl when they call me killer, brother, or judgment. Why whatever she name, brother, that girl, him try to thief her phone, brother. And right now, you know, say me no do wrongs and things, brother. And right now, the girl load up in our community, and everybody see me and come and talk to me, talking about phone, about brother thief and brother thief phone and sitting, brother. And right now, I keep know if you do, no, brother. John know me there right now. I'm out to sea, brother. Me and I miss some fish, brother.
Afternoon. Are you, may I say afternoon to you, miss?
Listen to me. I don't want no afternoon from no thief. Come let me know where you call to me.
Oh, that's a God. What you mean about thief? Where you talk about, miss?
No, you them say push and through, rebel, window, and I try thief our phone. No, you name Dan.
Alright, me tell you something, miss. When I love tech, when I love run, we don't hear people say too much. First of all, whoever tell you whatever, they not see me take enough phone. And if I want to know how a story go, I can tell you how a story go. The same woman where I say, oh, me take her phone or whatever, why she not telling say oh, every morning when me I come down, every morning she a call off and me through her window. Me I come down one morning. And same like how she usually would have call off for me every morning when me a pass. Me never know say she because me have enough self to go over there this morning now. So when me a pass the gate, me hear her call. And she always do it now, but me never enough myself. But I say this morning, I really look see if I meet somebody I call to. So I look and I see the curtain even pull more time and I go and I say, oh, me ask the person if I meet them I call. So when she come out now, I go over there. When she come out, she tell me say a long time she like me and she want exchange number. I tell her say, I have a girlfriend.
You want to try to tell me say, your brother, of course your brother make you behave so.
I tell her, I assume some play, but so nice, brother. Me have fire one time and brother, I'm confused, bro. I try my best to concentrate, but me no focus, brother.
Me ask you something this morning. Me know when me hear say between me and your brother, what happened to you? So them thing there. At least you can make me know what go on from morning, brother, and clear that off of your mind. You see what I mean? Because two of me ask you the question and I make you happy for your mind, make you not perform with nothing go on with that see, brother. Why me not sorry for you, know, brother. Me not sorry for you. Your brother still, you know. I mean, we respect each other, you know, but when it comes to them things, brother, well, I'm not know if you say, brother, but you should even arrest them upon your mind, brother.
That's more me reason me I look for see, brother. I think nothing I think straight, brother. I wonder what, brother. I don't know what to do, brother. Because when a man go look for me, I say, boy, all the way a thief. Cause them call him thief, them I say, boy, all the way the same thing, brother. And I can't cope with this, brother. Everybody has seen me, brother. Eh? There, man, your brother a thief, because he thief your phone there. See, they try to thief your phone. And one of us sitting, brother. Like,
you see how long I the day, man. I know you really I make all the trouble, brother. You know, maybe it's that time for you cut him out. I tell you, you know. I tell you, say, that brother there are you know, brother. I know say you love him, you know. And your brother either, but he might take too much and take liberty of things when people look for you like you and him I see him, brother. You know your brother and they make not them the kind of person, the brother. You see what I mean? But people really don't go understand, brother. Hear what you do, man. Just take that off your mind and clear that off your mind. Forget about him, brother. The kitchen ain't good today still. We don't have nothing to sell. We're going near me. Just forget about everything and just go on good and fresh again, brother. You see what I mean? So the next time we go out there, everything will. Just clear your mind, brother. Just clear your mind. You see what I mean? Kayla, Jamaican.
Come out of the sun.
How are you, look here? What go on?
There, you know.
Yeah, long time I see you, man. Every day we drive past here, looking to see you. I can't see you. How are you there?
So I'm there, man. I come out of the house.
Kayla, long time I like this thing. You know, we always in the crowd and thing. You know what I mean? Sometimes I have to just stay so and go and look, you know? So Kayla, you have a boyfriend?
I don't have no boyfriend, you know. So why I ask that?
Just want to know, because, you know, when you come in here, I want to know if you can just come up with you and link you, you know what I mean? So who are you stay? Who we live with?
And my parents, them stay with you, know, but you can't come link me. Just take my number and call me when you come.
Alright, no problem. Right, think that, you know. Okay, ladies, so I have a party for you. Maybe I found a Saturday, you know.
Saturday? Which party that?
I think the party named White Diamond, you know. Yeah, man, that's your name, man.
Oh, text me. Come here to go now, so text me.
Yeah man, me know it never have to finish yet. I agree. Me totally agree, people. 100%. Never have to finish yet. But here what I go on, hear me out there. And then we can use some phone card there too. But anyways, people, I have some other videos after I'm done talk. Some more videos if you want to watch. But hear me out now. I need enough to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because I realize the majority of people I watch and I watch the majority of videos and I don't subscribe. But I have to subscribe so the number act as a motivation, like when I pitch to people. Yes, I have to subscribe and I have to share the content so I can produce full length and complete stories. You get me? That's one thing. If people don't want money, I tell them that straight up, they want money. And them think me is a millionaire. But no sense some of them think me I carry so crazy cash, but you see me? So the reason why I say that is the more subscribers, the more views and the more money, so we better able to afford to pay this bill. Because believe it or not, you know, if I'm book a young lady who working at a bar and I say, oh, give me 3 days, and not even 3 days, give me 3 days and I give you $10,000 to play one main character role. First thing, she gotta show up late. She gotta tell us, yo, our bar make more than that. Or whatever. I straight up truth, man, tell the people, I straight up truth. You see me? I'm not complain because this is something I like do it. You see me? I just like shoot and edit. So even if I can't cut even, I don't have a problem with that. But me here now say, I don't want a full length movie, the thing them for complete and all of that. So this is what I need to do for me. I don't have to subscribe, and I have to subscribe, and I have to share the content, and I have to do all of that good stuff. You see me? Yeah. So, yeah. Any problem honestly with the video, I'm gonna cause it. But as me as a people, I have to like, and I have to subscribe, and I have to share the content. Because most of the persons that you see me using videos nowadays, them work. So, you know, it'd be hard to get them together or get everybody one place one time. And sometimes the amount of work you get done, like say for instance, me get them on a day and I start filming, I'm gonna get to complete everything. It's a hell of a task to get all of them one place again. You see me? And then, you know, probably a couple of weeks pass and then the month pass again. And then it just wouldn't make no sense for you to work on one video. You get what I'm saying? So, a lot of times when I post the videos, I say, you know, I'm not think I get back the character for right now. So, you just post so you have But if I had the cash, then I could afford to get these people from their work or get them wherever you want, whenever. And money do the thing, people, straight up. But yeah, me differently, I just like shoot and edit, and as long as I can afford to do some amount of that until probably it gets to the point where you can afford everything we want. Because I want to Lumix camera me use to people, you know, have no power at night time, so I have to just shoot during the days. And none of these are complaints. I'm not complaining. It's just that I know what you guys want to see sometime, or the level of excitement you want from the films. And we have limitations over here. You get me? There are limitations. Money causes them limitations there. But Lara, they are same way. I enjoy myself, do what I love. And you know, the journey continues. I want a hell of a journey. And remember to subscribe to the channel Akeen. I really want to drop something in. As soon as the channel reach 1,000, I think we then want a better position for like do some movies where I have some show to do them, man. I know, just spare my life, Father God. So yeah, people, subscribe, like the video, share it on wherever, so we can do the thing a proper way. Check out some older films from a long time too. You might enjoy them. Check out some films. Until then, we'll soon in the near future. Later.
People, welcome to the Politics Watch. This is now, tell them what we're talking about.
When we get the money?
This will make you happy as a
Lisa.
Listen to me, sorry. You see, if I don't have the money to pay for the things they make me love it and be able to.
That's my time, money for borrow.
I don't want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money?
No, so I started. The boy.
Jason, no!
Yeah, man, come give me a link, man, after. Man, come, you can give me a link after the nigga gone, man. Come go the boat. See? Yeah, man, I got the boat all day, man. Hold on, them. I'm so call back. So call back. What go on, Keisha?
I wish party day.
There, man, you know, so me there, yard, I go and chill. So you up to?
Yo, lads!
Oh, skinny.
Brother.
Oh, this time I want to know, man. See how I give it.
Yo, Lance. What? Fool and take me for brother. A fool and take man from my youth. Brother, the man gone to hospital with the man not dead, G.
Really, I say?
Yeah, my youth. Brother, I know pray now, man. Yo, me here say the man we are hospital, you. You say the man no miss, brother. Are you run out the operation, the man? How me get call and you no get no call?
Skinny. Sit down, man. Sit down, man, because I alone there and you talk loud like you want and nobody me what you say. What's your road boy thing, you know? Just calm down yourself, man. You hear what you hear.
The man not dead.
I hit me a try show and say, yo, the man not dead. You see you're wrong swatch and I'm missing on my G. You see me? And police are good on the scene, better investigate, you know. You know, so I can me and the man in a dealings in a dog. You see me? So them they sit them and try and run from me and my friend. Someone know what go on. You see me, one know what go on, that's why I'm there. You don't even know how you know about this,
Yo, Skinny, me tell you, say, calm down. Just calm down, old boy. A bad man thing is a gangster thing in my G. Me don't tell you from day one, say, yo, police are go involved, so watch on the man. I'm not man. I do man, remember say the youth not even know you know Skinny. You see me I say? So, I don't know if that's one little extra man. You see me? So I will just find out which part of the youth there hospital, which one of the hospital in there. I will just deal with it, because you know, remember say the youth not get no money yet, so you don't worry about him, me fix this brother. Don't worry about this man, everything left for me man. You see me I say? So just calm yourself, me deal with it.
How you feel?
I don't feel too bad, though, sis. I don't feel too bad, you know. Oh, come on, man. Just go pain in the side and make it a shot, you know.
You don't see how do it?
You know, sir, I'm there on the beach there, I do my job, man, and when I walk past you, then you stop me, I go up by the top, I go piss and sit down, and I tell you, say, I only hear a gunshot, you see me. And next thing I know, in the hospital or something there. So I don't really know see how they I didn't know what they are.
The pass the police them out the front there. I hope them find who do it. So what the doctor say? How much it go cost and everything?
Hold on, you say police out the front there, sir?
Yeah.
Anyway, the doctor them must say some warhead or bullet or some kind of they in miss lodge up in my body. They kind of go close to the spine. So but I didn't say it all cost a piece of food to deal with it. No, man, you don't have to worry yourself about that, you know, man. You don't have to worry, man, because the co-worker them out there, dumping them out there can't help you with the stall and sit there, you see me? Yeah, man. You don't have to worry yourself about that, sister, man.
First I did mommy and daddy. Now are you? How was so? Some family curse. As we are settled down at the beach, things are going for we. All of this. I can't bother, I feel like give up.
No, man, no, sister, man, you're crazy. No, you can't say that, man. Look how far me I come from, man. Look what we accomplished. Look on the business. And a whole lot of things we have got through together, man. I told we in a man. So in case I pass off and thing, I know say mommy and daddy wouldn't want you to feel that way there. She would want you to be strong and thing. I know you're strong. I soon come out here and say and thing, man. What you talk about, man? You need to be strong, man. You see me? Because I know say mommy and daddy wouldn't want you to look like this right now. And you know, they don't want you to be strong.
Me I go stay strong. Me I come back come look for you, but me I couldn't go start out down there and put everything in place. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like Lisa lock me out here. Oh, the current. See me up here, so you know. Come, see me up here, so I hope you have your rent money. Well, come, we're waiting on you.
Lisa, me I tell you, girl, me could have come back long time with the rent money, you know. Me say they have shot my cousin brother down the road, man.
Look here, me no want to hear nothing. You tell me, say, you go get the money and come back. And that you tell me.
Lisa, no lie, me I tell you, Lisa.
So whisper that the cousin get shot for you, the cousin brother get shot. Whisper that happen.
And I lie, me I tell you, you know hear about me cousin brother just get shot down the beach, you know how much shot he get? And me I go up by hospital, man, and me go up by hospital and me come back because tell you say, my cousin brother just get shoot up at hospital and I want to go back up at hospital, go look and see, find out if everything alright up there. I swear to God and I go and me I try to go around you.
Hold on there. I know the lifeguard down a beach. I him get shot.
Yeah man, the lifeguard.
The lifeguard we down a beach, that you there. You know say me know him, you know. You and my family?
No man, the lifeguard sister and me
A cousin. Yes, I he made me come back down if I come tell her what I go on to back up at hospital to find out what I go on with the brother.
Oh boy, them man they not easy with the shooting, you know. Them man then just a kid that as a shoot and one that some man and what happened to them so I'm thinking of it. Anyway, I'll give you 1 month. 1 month, you hear me? 1 month me I give you. Sort out yourself, sort out your family, and come back.
Thank you, Lisa, thank you. If I did some landlord, they put me on a long time. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Go on a situation where you know. And that's why I tell you that. But a 1 month. Alright. Oh, when you come back, you will the key way under the gate.
Boy, Skinny, me I tell us the star the first. This ever happened to me.
Yeah. That's all that thing I've done, you know, my G. Is it? Hold on, relax. What you say, no? No? Alright, yeah, let's go forward. Yo, Lance. I have to move, you know. How long you say that thing I got take?
Me personally, I got deal with it, man. Don't worry yourself, see? Me personally, I got deal with it, brother. Don't worry yourself, see?
Alright?
Don't worry yourself.
Watch the face now, man. Look out forward to it.
See, I heard, man. Sort it out. Yo, Woodlum. Boy, I like how you deal with it, boy. Like how you take care of your local business there for me, you know. We have a little extra business for you, you know. So you have to go on. Meet me down at the same spot there. We always meet up, see? Just come check me there, so see? Alright. See that boy there. See that boy there.
You get down easy. Them follow me. Them follow me. Jesus.
Hey, Dad, see me here.
Come round and flick. I big see my fear if the road runs sick. We eat up like down and fish. We got to see the crowd that go on. Uptown and shut up for the one.
What I saw for the hospital without them. The doctor tell him say the gunshot they near him spine or something like that. Not even know, because him himself like him not even understand.
Yo, brother, I can't stay too long. I get a piece of food for move back.
I want to know the details, you know, my G. Just tell me the details, man. I want to know it, though. Don't know. Tell me what go on, man. Tell me what go on.
Not too go on no more. They send me on the mission, you know, and I just load up a boy with a couple bullets, you know, man, and I move, you know. So, you know, so I'm only come and I defend, you know, you know.
Well, say you want your money. Alright. See your money, yeah. Stay in a school.
Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More like Vulture Squad. Say sorry clear.
Morning. How not going with people? Sorry. So, we might have to put a pause on the Talawa series. We might have to put one like a pause on it. This is why, hear me out. So, you see, because the characters work and them busy, but them interested in doing films on YouTube, it kind of difficult for balance because, like, for schedule, forget everybody on a particular day, just forget everybody together. Like, it will take a week sometime or more. And then, when you get everybody on the day, like sometimes you have some unforeseen issues. Sometimes people get sick when you shoot, rain fall, one whole heap of things. One whole heap of things are out of your control. Because remember, it's not like we have one studio or one set, you know, we just use the environment and be creative. So for that reason, you know, we have to put a pause on it. Because the time we are wait, we have some characters that are available more often than others. So my thing is that instead of we wait, we just do some other films, and then when everybody can available now, then we continue this series if we can, you see me? But I just saw the thing I got people, you see me? But I still have to come out and tell them because you know I want to support the thing I want to watch. So if something happen, you see me, and I expect, you know, just have to update, you know? So yeah, people. So yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned if you're first time, subscribe. The politics watch thing is clickbaity, but not really clickbait, you see me? Because I write up in a politics watch all of that. And I think I can use politics watch for cloud too, because he make video for me. So why if me just take a little cloud from the boss? Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Yeah. So big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. And I will see you in the near future. And remember to subscribe to Akin. You see me? Subscribe to Akin. Yeah. So later, big up on yourself and thanks for the support always. Later.
Watch out, Lisa, what? Lisa, what? Go and look for what me rent there. I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come call about what, go and Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out a gate, you should have called see them. You come and contact, boy. Me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, no go. I'm going to start out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you still get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on the list, and I have to reach so far. I just come off the road. I just run go by yard and beard and put on some clothes. If you get that money, later on I sort out you, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When? Next 3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me don't get no money from you today. I get put out. You see that lock there?
I'm fresh and go up on the road. Me I go sort out one little thing and you get the money, man. You know, for be so rough.
I give privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crotches. Oh God, think you man, you didn't get down today, yeah. Because sad.
Relax, man. One tape. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yeah, squeeze my hand.
One tape. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? I don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me I talk about. Hello? And that me I talk about. See there? In your phone.
You love make a big deal over out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. I don't talk about that, you know. I style, me I talk about the focus, we have to focus on the style. And that me I talk about, me concerned about the business. We barely make the money I start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make we not make the money and start, you know. You make the business and go on good. And you cause all of that.
Because of me. I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tired of it.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. But you understand that. So we can't on phone all day, I text on phone and focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait on things we have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy, and the principle.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things are happening, brother, police are got involved, you know.
Brother, Westmoreland G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that alone, you know, say better if you use your phone and call him, me to go and show you say a styling thing in the pan.
Our situation is done with situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like drown again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people come out of the water, we get sting by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on the foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now gonna spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and way around there so you all quit them off.
Watch you now, no? I have to follow up the argument in there, but you're done. I have to follow up the argument. But you must say them to you now. More when you go back and start. And pay attention. You understand? Me I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you gotta go down there.
Go on back and stall and talk to me like that. Go on back and stall.
Here we have. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, use my phone and call him. I say if you get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a juke, yeah. Keep the phone ring, you know. See, there'll be a joking man there. See, they're going to voicemail now. I'm sure it's a be a joking man there.
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, when expect me to do more than
Call my girlfriend. You're fine job doing, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain in my butt. But I'm still I want to do what I have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
Use my phone and call him and see if I get him. See? Use my phone, see?
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, no, babes, and I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, say the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, say me I put enough effort in this year work for me and you don't it?
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want you to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, really and truly appreciate what you do for me. Jano. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out here every day I work and it's like I not really see nothing, you see me? I not really see nothing. But guess what I'm on a life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute, man. Hello?
Need the boy answer. Yo! What? My money there. You don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Yes.
Oh, I think that's skinny. What going man?
Want my money reach me today. Or else.
Yo, I know say I work on you, brother. I work on you, man. Trust me, I work on you. Just that, you know things tough, brother. I mean, I'm looking to take care of sitting by you. You know, things kind of tough, brother, but I work on it, man. Trust me, I work on it.
A month me away from the money, you know. I know I hear boy and your sister. So this is never happen to you today. Today, yeah. Or else, I see what I want. Isn't it?
Skinny. Born star.
Yo, me have a dog, you call me dog now. Yo, what go on me dog?
No, says I move me a group on me general.
You know, say that little works here, mash. Yeah, man. I wish what you said again.
No, I'm the first man, man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? I'm charge you come with me and show me a little vibes and want you to walk over the beach. You see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match for him. So you wanna give you the work.
So much that they work they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is youth and I'm missing on the dream. You see, alright, watch it. See, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear what's going on.
Yeah, you know, something come up in us. You know, here. Nah, man, everything alright, man. Everything good, man. You call about it, good. Same.
Alright. Like seriously?
Yeah, what's for this?
400
$200, sir.
I too dear, man. You can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. A beach is not like people come to enjoy themselves, you know, so I can't go with a price. And people are stressed out on the meal price of this, you know.
You're not easy, sir. If you not pay that, put it back down, please. Put it back
man,
down.
so you are. Give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much is the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach off of it. Eh?
What you mean?
A beach is enough. Hi, girl. People come for eat a bun and drink a drink and you're selling so dear, man. Come down with some better price.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, I can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I don't make no money, you know. See? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir? And if I want something to buy, you just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
come
how I
buy.
can't make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. But how they look to buy
Hurry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me, I say, so you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you wanna run this style here?
No, sir. I'm my brother and my lifeguard over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
Okay, my name you know, but everybody call me Tara. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come to chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill me come a beach, come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like go some other stress. So around here you come from?
I'm not really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No one if you want exchange number with me. We can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I well want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out. Karen! Yeah, left us one ginger wine.
Thank you, later.
Alright.
So, you know, go and kill her. So, nothing sell if I start it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want lady come here, come buy one water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you know, I go down to places where I watch people, you know, so go and date me, yeah?
You might make him a long so.
Hello, miss. Are you already stop?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do? Move my boy. You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I don't want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? How about that? No, no bother with it. Go and do your business with the one day. Don't do that.
You're going to for the guns. You see me? Going to for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them
Me
look something here
alone,
from the
yes,
star. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Give me number, make you give me a call, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, just think about it, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Give me a link, man. You see it?
Yo, brother. You know, some I'm going to do it, but I want some money for it, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for it, man. I want some money.
Not even time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I am bridging. I like even, for what you say, I move away still, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. Don't make sure you reach your back. You see me, I say, but I just that. I do some things I have to deal. I don't really want to chat about it, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back.
I know you not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money for borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. But how much money you want, sir?
You know, so I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55.
Yeah, man.
Brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know how little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So me I go find that the money left from me, I know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a fully pips at work, your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready. That's good, man. Everything good, man. You see me? You stay, man. Everything good, man. Me match like that. That good, man. Respect. Stay. What you want to do? We can go back to our post here, man. Alright? But respect still again, you see me?
That's well, because we kind of done that so long.
Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Alright, brother. What you mean, Blink? A long time we know you're in the street, you know, you're there, so brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Be real, man. You mean? I love
catch
that.
back your thing, and my fans, them love me. That's why things are original and card. You know what I'm saying? Business, moving supermarket, right place, right price.
Original
Welcome to Bluefish Beach.
Original name, yeah.
Original name for the beach, for the people them know it's a card to this for a long time. You understand? Yeah. Welcome to Bluefish Beach. My friend them there, lifeguard there. We have a time for this, we have a time for friend show.
Jason.
Too far.
Come here.
Too far, man. I'm about to talk about it. Too far.
The boy. Bring.
Original car.
What bring in here something like I want gunshot?
Yeah, man. I'm like right up the side now.
Yeah. Alright. I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man. So they shoot somebody up the road, I go look at who and see how they shoot. I don't know. Back up, back up.
I wonder who gets shot. Jesus.
Walk around this room, man. Run to the door, man. yeah. No, I'm bring him to the hospital and just get shot. You see, so hear from him, man.
I'm my brother.
And they call the ambulance.
No.
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on down the J? Yeah. Alright, I see a road, man.
Alright, calm down yourself, pal. They might rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just sit two away alone. I don't even know me I go do right
You tell me say I have nobody at all. Nobody at all to call.
No.
Alright. Go sit down right yesterday. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go best and come back. Sit down right yesterday.
John was there, mama. Can't believe me get the final say brother that man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say dog get shot. So where are they so? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if the dog good and them go check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look at them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me, cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know. See the thing we may not tell about earlier on today, you see me? My best way right now, that will help out right now in my best way, you see me? I swear to you, will help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap, you see me? So right now that would be the best thing right now for you. Help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Because I know you don't want your brother for dead right now. You see me? Yeah, what I got to do now, more? Zine, big man thing, because I need one time to settle long now, because you don't know where to do your road, you see. When you go down at the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Because I can't stay here right now, you see it, so I just drop off a thing. You get it, you see it. You see me, that the help out the family man, for now man, you see it.